Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on top to search on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click settings and privacy and click accessibility display and language settings. Now click accessibility and here you'll find it top to search. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on top to search on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.